Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for in-depth, no-nonsense reviews on everyday products that make a difference. In today's episode, we're featuring what we call the *Best Clumping Cat Litter Dust Free. Purina Tidy Cats Lightweight Free and Clean Unscented Cat Litter in the 17-pound box. Let's jump right into it. First off, this is a powerhouse when it comes to odor control. If you've got multiple cats or just one picky feline, you know how quickly odors can build up. This litter offers 21-day ammonia odor control, yes, 21 days, when used as directed. That's 3 full weeks of a fresh-smelling home without the synthetic perfumes or chemical scents that tend to mask rather than solve the problem. What's even better is that this litter is powered by activated charcoal. Instead of relying on added fragrance, it uses charcoal's natural ability to trap and neutralize odor. That means it's truly unscented, no dyes, no perfumes, just clean, functional litter that respects both your cat's sensitivities and your nose. Now let's talk about the clumping action. This is a clumping clay litter, and the clumps it forms are impressively strong. They don't fall apart during scooping, which means you're left with a cleaner box and less wasted litter. And because the clumps are tight, they make cleaning the box far less of a chore, something every cat parent can appreciate. One of the top features that set this product apart is that it's 50% lighter than traditional clumping litter. That's not just a marketing claim, the 17lb box performs like a full-sized traditional litter box fill. If you've ever dreaded hauling heavy bags of litter up the stairs or in and out of your trunk, this makes a world of difference. Less back strain, same effectiveness. Now, let's talk dust. This litter is 99.9% dust-free, and that's not an exaggeration. When you pour it into the litter box, you don't get that overwhelming cloud of particles that usually comes with most clay litters. For households with allergy sufferers, humans or pets, this makes it much more breathable and less irritating. As far as versatility goes, this litter is designed for multi-cat households, which means it handles a high-traffic litter box with ease. Whether you have 2 cats or 5, it's built to perform without constant full box changes. That's cost-effective and time-saving. However, the product is shipped directly by Amazon.com, so you know you're getting a genuine, factory-sealed item. And speaking of alternatives, Purina also offers other varieties like their 24/7 Performance and Glade scented versions. But this, free and clean unscented, variant is best if you want fragrance-free, charcoal-based, dust-free performance in a lightweight format. Its dust-free formula, activated charcoal, and strong clumping make it a clear winner in the litter aisle. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this product sounds like a good fit for your cat household, you can check it out via the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.